Good day, everybody. For those subscribers who were wondering why I haven't been posting, it's because I lost my husband. He was robbed and killed. I am trying little by little to get back on track, which is pretty difficult for me, but I am trying my best. So as of today, you will see videos now and again until I get back on track fully. I'm just doing my best in terms of trying to get back on track as recommended so that I don't fall into depression, etc. Alright, before I go into what I'm going to be talking about today, I am going to remind you to subscribe, like, share, comment, and watch the ads. So today I'm going to be looking at how to copy and paste an Excel worksheet into a Word document as shown when printed. Meaning I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste information from an Excel worksheet and paste it into Word as shown with the letters, the column letters and the row numbers and information and the lines and everything showing. Alright, so say we want to put this spreadsheet that you're looking at into a Microsoft Word document. The first thing you have to do is to block the content. After you have blocked the content, you will then go to File. I'm sure you remember how to block. You saw me do it just now. And then Print. And then Page Setup. When you go to Page Setup, you are going to select the option that says Fit to one page. Just where you see scaling, you will see two options: Adjust to and Fit to. You're going to click into the circle and select the option that says Fit to. Good. When you have done that, of course, that is done under the Page tab. When you have done that, you need to click on the Sheet tab and then select Grid Line. So grid line must be ticked, as well as rows and column headings must be ticked. When you are done doing that, you will click on OK. And if you notice, the column letters are showing, as well as the row numbers are showing. The grid lines are also in it, as well as the information. So you have everything that you would see if you should print it as is. You would click on this back arrow where my mouse pointer is to go back to the sheet, and then what you will do is to copy the content that you want to put in Microsoft Word, but you have to block it first. When you block it, you then click on the drop down arrow beside copy and select Copy as Picture. Then select the option that says As Shown When Printed. So you have to click into that option that says As Shown When Printed. Remember, we want to see everything just like it is in front of us. Then you would select OK. After you are through doing so, you need to then open the Word document and click wherever you want to paste the information. So I'm going to open Microsoft Word because I'm using a blank Word document, and I'm going to ensure that the cursor is where I want it. In this case, I want it at the beginning of my Word document, so I'm going to let the cursor stay there, and then I'm going to click on paste. So there you go. So you have the document, the Excel document that you transferred from Microsoft Excel into Microsoft Word, looking just as it would look in Excel, and as how you would want it printed if this is how you wanted it to be printed. So guys, this is it for today. I'm going to thank you for sticking with me, for watching. Continue to share the channel, like, subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet, comment, and watch the ads. So see you again when I will show you how you can link an Excel file in a Word document. Bye guys.